Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to raise hand in Zoom during your online classes or meetings. On your computer, while you're in a meeting, just click on the React icon at the bottom of your screen. Then, select Raise Hand. You'll instantly see a hand icon appear right on your video panel. The meeting host will also get a quick notification that your hand is up. When you're done and want to lower your hand, just click on Lower Hand. Now, if you're on Mac OS and prefer using keyboard shortcuts instead of your mouse, you can just press Option Y to raise your hand. Press Option Y one more time to lower it. And if you're on Windows, the shortcut is Alt Y. If you're using Zoom on your phone, just tap the screen to bring up the bottom toolbar. Next, tap the three dots icon and then tap Raise Hand. After that, you'll see a lower hand icon appear right on your screen, which you can tap to lower your hand when you're ready.